Hi, this is Dave, and today I'm reviewing the FrSara handheld folding fan. This is a nice little unit. It's pretty heavy duty. Feels like it's got a good solid battery in it. You can see that's, I don't know, maybe 3-4 inches across. The head will pretty much swivel around to any direction. USB-C charging cable comes with it. There's a little window on the back that you press it once and it gives you speed 1. You can hear that. 2. And I mean that's a serious. That's blowing the box across the floor or across the desk. So that's pretty serious speed there. I found just in the brief use, just setting it on 1, I set it on top of a computer and put it up at myself, and it was very comfortable. So anyway, it takes quite a while to charge. It had 71% charge when I received it, and it took a couple hours to get to 100%. But I don't know how long that'll last, but I imagine it'll last quite some time. Like I say, this is a very heavy device, so I suspect it's got a pretty good battery in it. And again, you can go 1 through 6, and then you can go 1, and if you hold the button, it will turn off. You don't have to go through the entire cycle to do that. It does come with, as I said, the USB-C charging cable. Comes with this little cloth lanyard that is supposed to go on something like that. And then you can hang it around your neck and point it at yourself. I found this to be kind of flimsy, and I mean, it would be different if there were slots where it was specifically designed to go in, but they kept falling out, so I don't find that to be a very useful thing, but you might. But all in all, this is a really nice handheld personal fan. Take it to sporting events, or just set it on your desktop, or just on a table next to you when you're watching TV or something, just a little cooling. It's really nice. I highly recommend this product.
93 is the percentage that it's charged. Long press down to shut it off. And this right here, let's see, that's to charge it. It's a C-type charger. This is a USB. Cool thing about that is if you're out and about with your fan and your phone needs charging, you can actually plug it in here and it'll charge your phone. So I think that's the coolest thing about it. So it's almost like a phone charger and a fan, which makes the price even better. So real easy, foldable, has these little things that slip right in. You can put it around your neck, you can fold it. I think it's a great little thing. And when it's on 6, it's pretty powerful. So definitely like and recommend.
reviewing this little camping fan. To test it, I set it up to run, and it ran for 5 hours on high, the third high setting, and I got down to basically 10% charge. So went down 90% in 5 hours. It's got a built-in light with a couple settings, and it also has a charging feature where you can plug in and charge. So this is actually, I think, a really handy little fan for camping or setting up somewhere where you're going to need a fan and you don't have an outlet. I like it.
Review the fire.